Hello, class. I'm going to help you with the assignment, divide monomials for IXL. So let's get into it. It says simplify. Express your answer using positive exponents. So we have to divide here, and of course, I'm just going to get this wrong on purpose, just to see what happens when you get this wrong. Hold on, my keyboard isn't. Oh, there we go. Wasn't cooperating before. Okay, and I got it wrong. Explanation. Okay, that's the question we had. That's what I answered. Okay, remember, to divide powers with the same base, subtract their exponents. Okay? They have the same base, you subtract their exponents. Any number to the first power is equal to itself. That makes sense. Okay? So they're going to walk us through it. They're going to walk us through this. It says 6h to the 6th power over or divided by 2h. So I want you to divide the coefficients. Those are the numbers that are attached to the variables. In this case, on the top it's 6, on the bottom it's 2. So you divide those first. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? And then you look at the variables, and it says divide the h's. Remember to subtract their exponents. So the exponents are 6, and even though you don't see one here, it's 1. So it's 6 minus 1, so it's h to the power of 5. So it's 3h to the power of 5. And that's all it is. So you got to remember that. Okay, so we're going to do this next one here. Simplify. Express your answer using positive exponents. So you look at the coefficients first. 3 and 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And even though we don't see the exponents here, this q has a 1, that q has a 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So that's q to the 0 power. If you remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. So it's 1 times 1, which is just 1. Now, I'll admit I did that the long way. Anything over itself, like if the numerator and the denominator are the same, it's always going to be 1. Okay, next one. 4. Okay, there's no coefficient here, so that's 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. And look, g over g, well, that's just 1 anyway, so just 4. Okay, this one. And sometimes it helps to put an exponent, so I'm going to put a 1 right there. Okay? 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay? The exponents are 1 and 8. 1 minus 8 is negative 7. And if you have this negative 7, you can change it. And they want us to change it. They want positive exponents. So remember, with negative exponents, if a negative exponent is the numerator, it's going to be positive in the denominator. So we're going to have to deal with fractions now. So I got to rewrite this. Okay, so 2's up here. Now up here was s to the negative 7. If you bring it down here, it's s to the power of positive 7. Okay, there you go. All right, this next one here. Simplify, express your answer using positive exponents. 9 divided by 3 is 3. I'm going to write that here. Now I got to deal with the y's. This doesn't have an exponent, so I'll give it 1. 1 minus 7 is negative 6. Okay? We're not done because our answer has to have positive exponents. So we're probably going to get a fraction here. So since this y is a negative 6, to make it positive, you have to put it as a denominator. Now 3 stays up there, but y goes down below, and that negative 6 will now be a positive 6. There you go. Okay? Sometimes you can do this. 9 over 9, okay, that's gone. Okay, w, give that a 1. 1 minus 4, that's w to the negative 3. And you have to make that a positive exponent. So in the denominator, you have w to the power of positive 3. And if there's nothing above, you put a 1 there. Okay? And this will be the last one. I think you get it by now. Okay, 5 over 5. That's gone. C to the fifth power over C to the first power. That's 5 minus 1. That's 4. So your answer is C to the fourth power. All right. I think you understand it by now. Good luck with this assignment. And if you need any help, feel free to contact me. Thank you.